honey bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my beautiful crafty friends, we are back. We are going to be doing the Halloween series. I have a few things that I want to show you guys that I've been working on. I've been gone for a little while, but I have returned back to the YouTube world. So I don't want to waste any more time. By the way, thank you everyone for following me in Instagram and for sending me wonderful messages and for following me on YouTube. And if you haven't, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can see really fun tutorials. Okay, so I'm going to be starting with something very simple, very easy. I've been gone for a while. I'm a little bit rusty, so I'm just going to take it easy, have some fun with these videos and these tutorials. And today I'm going to do something super duper super easy, okay? So we're going to be making these little fun little cards that I had done earlier. I made these two earlier just to show you like a sample of what they're going to look like. And we're going to make two of these together. Now, what you can do is you can actually use these as little greeting cards or like little tags for any like goodie bags or any like maybe Halloween gifts that you're going to be giving to your friends. Maybe you're going to like a Halloween party and you want to bring something with you. You can kind of create these little cute little taggies to add to the gifts, okay? Now, what I'm going to be using these little tags, I'm going to be making some little fun goodie bags for my friends. And I wanted to use this kind of like a little, well, okay, so the little baggie that I'm going to most likely get to put the goodie bags, the goodie things in, will look something like this little baggie, right? So what I wanted to use this little card is to actually put it like right over the top of the little baggie and do like a little closure. So it could kind of look really cute and fun. And it just looks really like, you know, Halloween inspired little goodie bag. So that's what I'm going to be doing with these little cards. But again, you can use them for whatever you want, right? So I'm going to show you guys how I created them. Now, I use these Michael's little, I think it's like 2x2. I don't know the size of these, but these are like little mini cards and envelopes that you can find in Michael's, or you can create your own. If you have craft paper, just create your own little mini card and you can kind of like follow along with me, okay? So I'm going to be using two of these little kind of like little greeting cards. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys how I made these. These are so easy to make. I wanted to get like a really simple, easy project to do, especially on the first video that we're going to be doing for the series. I didn't want to go crazy. And again, I'm a little rusty, so hopefully I still have my touch. We shall see. Okay, so get your little greeting cards, okay? Put them on the side for now. We're going to build the little embellishment that's gonna go on the little greeting card. Now, I'm using these really fun foam stickers that I got at Michael's recently. I am obsessed with these stickers. They're so freaking cute. I absolutely love them because they have pink and they have like really fun colors. They have these like little cute little ghosts. They have like these amazing little glittery pumpkins. I'm going to be doing a project with these adorable little ghost snacks. They have tons of really fun embellishments in here, or like, you know, foam stickers. So I bought one of each because they were like 50% off and I'm obsessed. I also picked up this little sticker book, which I thought it was so cute. I absolutely love the pink colors in here. They're just so freaking adorable. Look at that. I kind of regret not buying two of these. I might go back and get another one just to have, because this is just so freaking cute. Okay, so we're going to be using the stickers that come in these little baggies. And I'm also going to be using a few stickers in this little sticker pack, okay? So here I picked my two pumpkins that I want to actually put together. This little fun glittery pumpkin and this adorable little beautiful color of like pumpkin, yeah? And then I'm also going to use these really fun foam spider webs, okay? So we're gonna put these together. I'm going to literally layer these down. These are literally just so simple to make. Just layer your pumpkins together, put your cute little spider web in the center, and call it a day. Literally, that's all we're going to do, okay? So I'm going to peel the backing of my little spider web. And I'm going to just glue this right over in the little side of my pumpkin, okay? And then I'm going to glue this right over my pumpkin, but I want my pink pumpkin to kind of show a little bit. So I'm just going to like layer it so that it can pop up right on the back. So I'm gonna do that. Just like that, see? You have a little nice little glittery pop-up of pumpkin in the back. And we're gonna do the same thing with this one. This one I'm going to be using pink spider web. I love these spider webs, but these little tiny little things that I have to pull out are so annoying. So annoying. But it's okay. It's no big deal. It can be done. It can be done, yeah. But they are really super fuzzy. I mean, I know they have like tools to kind of use for this, right? They have like these special tools that you can buy, and you can it can help you remove them. But of course, I most likely will probably never find my tools in my attic, so it is okay. It is what it is. All right. So now that I pulled all these little thingies out, let's peel the backing of my pink spider web and just add it to the front of my beautiful purple and orange pumpkin, just like that. See? So you got this nice black spider web and this adorable little pink spider web. Let's add this pumpkin to the glitter pumpkin as a layer. Just like so. Okay, and now we have the front of the beautiful little card that we can put together. All right, so let's do that now. Let's put it together. Such a simple project, but this is so cute. And these stickers are so adorable. I absolutely love them. Okay, so all I'm gonna do is I'm going to literally just glue or put like, well, this has glue already in the back. It has like a little adhesive, right? Just add it to the front of the card in a little nice angle. Okay. Just like so. And I'm gonna do the same thing with this one. And then the last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually add a happy Halloween little word right here. This one says Scoopy Season, which I thought that was super cute. So we're going to add that to these over here. And I got that from the little sticker book, which I thought it was just super cute. All right, so let's see here. See, we have here Scoopy. Well, this is a different one. This is like a reddish one. Okay, we'll use this one. And I'm gonna use this one. And we're gonna add that right in this little corner right here. So it can give it a nice little, Valentine, holiday, a nice holiday pretty look. Valentine's, where did Valentine's come from? Okay, there it goes. And now you have that cute little wording that says Scoopy Seasons right there. See that? All right, so I'm gonna glue this back a little bit here because this is a little bit not glued to the paper. So I'm just gonna remove the rest of the backing and very gently just glue it down. And now we have finished this super adorable little card that we're going to be using for any project that you might want to use for the Isn't that cute? Now with this one, I added these really fun, I have them here. I added these really fun little sticker that I got from the Dollar Tree. You can actually use these, or you can actually use, if you want, let's say maybe like a button if you want, or you can actually use like a big sequence, you know, whatever you want to use is fine. I'm using these because I thought these were really, really fun, and I love the colors that kind of coordinate with the embellishments. So all I did is just add like a little tiny drop of hot glue to the center of the little dot, and then add it right in the center of my embellishment, or my spider web. Okay, and that's literally all I did. Now make sure you guys return back, because I will be doing a video or a tutorial showing you guys how I'm going to be using these. I can't do that right now because I'm still missing a few other little things that I want to add into the goodie bag that I want to put together. But once I get everything down packed, then I will make another video with you guys showing you how I'm going to be using these for the little goodie bags that I'm going to be making. But for the meantime, this is how these turned out. I thought these turned out so cute, right? And so simple. Literally a few seconds. I mean, I talk a lot, so minus how much I talk, like 5 minutes, right? Maybe 7. I don't know. It's just really simple, but I think it looks so pretty. And these stickers are so lovely. I love these stickers. They're so pretty. All right, my loves. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I will see you guys on my next tutorial in a few days. Make sure you check back. Make sure you subscribe. And let me know how you guys are doing out there. Hopefully, you guys will return back. And hopefully, we will do some more videos. I love you all and have a fantastic day. Bye.